Hi, if you're having trouble with Spool Queue Viewer++ redirection from, say, the same type of printer driver, so in this case it goes Xerox worksite to 5855, and redirecting to these two here, but same, but the prints aren't actually coming out on the printer. When I pause the printer, the print job appears, but it's not actually printing out. The problem is that the printer is rejecting the print file because it thinks it's for the other dummy printer installed. So to fix this problem, you need to install a HP Universal PLC6 driver as your dummy printer. So you go to this link here, it's in the description of this video and in the main comment. It's this FTP link. If that doesn't work, just go onto the website and download the driver from there. So I'm going to open this link and it will download file. So now we'll open a self-extractor. So I want to copy this path, what it's going to extract it to, and I don't want to run the install. So unzip, so that's done. So now you've done that part, you can go onto printers and add a new printer. Click on printer wasn't listed, add local printer. LPT1 is the one you want to use. In here, have disk. Now paste in the path that it extracted to. So you can now see it's got the Universal Printing PLC6 driver. Click next. I'm just going to call it my dummy printer. Xerox. You can call it any name you want. Next. Finish. So now you can go into Spool Queue Viewer++. I'm going to refresh it. So pick up the new printer. I'm going to go down onto the Xerox. So it's this one here. So I'm now going to set up the redirection to those two printers as before, but I need to check this box here, try re-render print. Click OK. So now I can do a test print. Right mouse, test print on that printer. So you can now see the print job has appeared on those two printers, and it should print them out. And that's it. Give it a try.